Welcome to Yogi Bloom. Today's chair yoga session is designed to gently relieve tension in your neck and shoulders. Perfect if you're feeling stiff, tight, or just need a moment to relax. All you need is a chair and a few minutes to feel better. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Your breath is your first medicine. It soothes your nervous system and brings fresh oxygen to your brain. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Now, slowly come back to center and switch to the left side. Inhale slowly through the nose and exhale as you relax into the stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the tension release along your neck and shoulder. This helps reduce stiffness, ease headaches, and improve posture. Once again, inhale slowly through the nose and exhale as you relax into the stretch. Inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, gently lean over to the left. Keep your seat grounded and steady. This stretch opens the chest and helps improve your breathing. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, keep your seat grounded and steady. Extend your arms out to the sides, palms facing forward. As you inhale, gently rotate your arms so the palms face down. And as you exhale, rotate them back to face up. Feel the stretch across your shoulders and the gentle rotation in your arms. This helps improve shoulder mobility, posture, and opens the chest. Once again, bring your hands together in front of your heart and take a moment to thank yourself. For showing up today. Inhale deeply and exhale gently, feeling calm, grounded, and proud. If this practice felt good, don't forget to subscribe to Yogi Bloom for more gentle chair yoga, made with love just for you. See you next time.